Hey, hello, Anton from Kone here, and today I share with you skills in ChatGPT Business. It's my lovely function. It's can work you every day with this function because it's super efficiency in one chat. You can make multiple functions from the skills. I think a lot of people don't know about skills in ChatGPT. It works only in business seats. And if you want one business seats for free, please write me on email. I share with you one of these things. And let's share with you how it works. I have a lot of skills inside. In this video, I share with you how you can create new, how you can copy and paste from GitHub and so on. And first one, I share with you how it works. Okay, let's start from scratch. Hey, hello, can you write Instagram thread about skills in ChatGPT Business? Yep. I can use these things, but mostly I prefer additional skills for threads writing based on markdown instruction and focused on this task. This task, it's writing content for threads. Yep, you can see it's main post, reply 1, 2, 3, 5, and so on, and link. Okay. Okay. And now please use a skill for X writing and make the same for X. Yep. And now a little bit shift to X. And here is, I need X writing. And yep, you can see the different now. Use instruction inside. And yeah, main post, reply, not a lot main post, but it's different, you can see. Okay. And the last one about LinkedIn. About what and about LinkedIn. And now for LinkedIn, it's the same. You can see it's only one prompt from scratch and 4 different types of content. Super efficiently based on this custom instruction, and here, as you can see, a lot of things, a lot of words, and focused on LinkedIn, right? Okay. I hope you can understand the difference, and next one I share with you how you can create the skills. You have 3 options. First options to write skills based here. For example, let's create skill about the weather. Okay, please create skill about weather forecast, and your recommendation for me was I can wear today. So I'm sorry, it's a little bit strange. Create skill forecast and increment can do it today. Okay. First one. It's my mistakes. I use a skill creator for yeah, for create skill for skill. So switch to the thinking mode and create a skill inside ChatGPT. ChatGPT can create skill, and I can use it in one, I think, screen, right? Okay, let's need a little bit more time. Wait for it. Okay, and skill is ready with the Audit Advisor. Okay, install it to my workspace. And next one, I can use it in this chat. Outside weather. And give me advice. And how it works. Thinking, go to the forecast, check the forecast, and give me useful, okay, it's around 30, okay, t-shirt, and so on. Brilliant. It's brilliant, yeah. Maybe cap, sunglasses, and so on. You can see, it's super Next one. I switch next one options, how you can add more skills. I switch to the GitHub, and here is, you can see a lot of things about marketing. I find something interesting, playbooks, creative A/B testing operators, customer research, email, free tools, image, launch, lead magnet. Okay, offers. I copy and paste link for it. And next one, please create this skill for me. And it copy and paste to my account. Please create this skill for me. And I need to paste here this offer. It's super simple because you can find the skill in the internet, mostly on GitHub for Claude, and use it in your ChatGPT business. Super easy because it you can see it download this skill and copy and paste it to your account. And it's done. And this copy and paste, and next loading skill details. Yep, offers, and you can install it. Super easy. You don't need anything. Okay, and here is you can use offers. Okay, and presentation. Please create offers for the Kone.vc. It's ChatGPT Business Consulting. You can see the previous, we are speaking a lot of things, and here is a user skills for a new task. 3 offers, ChatGPT Business Consulting. Okay. I want sprint. Installed yet. I I have this product before. Yeah, 1 week. Yep. Super agreed. Precision for founders. Yep. You can see it's a lot of things, and inside this thing is the instruction. Because if we are going to the skills, if we are going to offers, we can see nothing. Okay. Skills MD, I don't know why, but it can. What inside you can see a lot of bonus staking agents, guaranteed design, and so on. Sorry, it's can show here, but you can see example inside. You can see a lot of things. Yeah, maybe it's some problem with my account, but you can see a lot of markdown files with instruction and so on. Interesting things. You can use the skills not only for your personal, but you can see with the agents. If we go to the agents and start blank, workflow agents, so second my lovely thing in the ChatGPT business, and inside you can add the skills and you can use it for your repeatable task. And it works very well, and it works with the agents, not with you, and it's on autopilot. You don't need anything. It's working from the schedule, and it works very well. Okay, it's second options. Here is the corner. If you want to turn ChatGPT into a working AI system, let's come in. Inside we have bonuses like we have bonuses like partner of ChatGPT, one free ChatGPT business seat. Yeah, please write me in the mail, book the appointment, and communicate with you about automation your company with workflow agents, with the GPTs, or with the skills, with the database, and with the training for your team, and so on. My name is Anton. Nice to meet you, and see you on the next discovery call with you. Bye bye.